Hey guys, just playing some btd5 here, and I have only this much so far, and I have 3 factors. It is on easy. I'm gonna run something there right now, and I'm about to sacrifice. As soon as I get enough money, I'm gonna sacrifice this all to that sun god and make a temple of the monkey god. I don't know why I put so much stuff down, but hopefully this makes a really crazy, overpowered sun god or temple of the monkey god. So I never ever use Temple of the Monkey Gods. This is really my first, yeah, this is probably my first time using a Temple of the Monkey God in btd5 alone or whatnot. But yeah, I have a pretty good feeling about this. I think I'm gonna do pretty good. I'm already at like, oh shit, I should be, okay, I should keep my mouse there. I almost already have 10,000, so yeah. This is just crazy. It's already been a minute in the video, Jesus. Hopefully I wouldn't have, like, I don't even know if I'll be able to get the freaking Temple of the Monkey God in this video. Maybe I'll just make multiple. Who knows? If we hear a dog barking, that means my dog's barking because someone's here. Or he's just barking because they thought someone was here. I don't know, this setup has actually been going pretty good so far, like, just destroys. Like, I even got, I put that in there because I lost before, and I needed a camo detection because I didn't have much. All I really had was that ninja and those 4 guys, and that's all I had. And I was trying to go against a big, like, freaking rush of camo regeneration, and I held for a bit, and then it lagged so bad, and I lost. I pretty much just quit, but I was going to lose anyways. They were all, like, literally right here. So I just turned off the frickin' page. So getting pretty close. I'm approximately almost half. Yeah, I'm about halfway there. I have this much money, 33,000, and I need this much, which is 76,500. So I'm getting there. Haven't faced this, oh my god, yet. Nope, in 4 rounds. I haven't even faced this, oh my god, yet. I hope I get a freaking Temple of the Monkey God before I face oh my god. Like, I spent so much money already. I could honestly sell factories for this, oh my god. I mean, for this, oh my god, I don't want that. For the Temple of the Monkey God, but I don't. It's only for the video if I were to do that. So, like, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm gonna need that for later rounds. But this Temple of the Monkey God should, like, fare me for a long time. Looks like somebody's here. Like I said. Might not be talking for a bit, so, or at all. As soon as whoever it is walks in. See, this is the round I died at with all these camo regions. But they're nothing. They're nothing now. Wow, I destroyed this round. And I destroyed this round this time? Last time I got destroyed, so. I'm so close to getting the top of the monkey god. Come on. Oh, I'm so close. Come on, only like 5,000 more. Oh, dude, I'm gonna get there so quick. I'm actually fairly excited. Oh, I got it. I got it. No way. Holy crap, this thing's destroying. Holy man. Jesus. Like, it literally covers this whole thing. He can shoot all there. Now, look at that. He can shoot all this. That is crazy. That is crazy. I am now at round 86. I would have beaten hard mode at round 85. Oh, what is that? Oh my god. Nah, easy. What is it? 3 of them? Wow, that's quite a bit. Like, just destroys them. Oh my god. It's nuts. I should probably actually put a village nearby. Like, right here maybe. Ooh, can I even reach him? Probably if I put him here. I don't know. Don't want to miss any of this freaking money, but can't put him anywhere there. Really? I don't know if it'll reach him. Really? What? I think I should be fine with putting him like right here. No, I should put him right here. Wow, here? There. I'll upgrade them to boom, and this, and this. There. Okay, it reaches them. And I got the MIB. Trust me, this is OP. Watch it, just like this. If I'm in trouble, it just destroys. I wait for like quite a bit of zombie gods. I swear I just saw like a zombie god. Okay, yeah. No, I'll click around and just show you. I think I did it. Oh, yeah, there was definitely a difference there. Oh, yeah. Oh, that was definitely a difference. Jeez. It recharges quite quickly. Wow, look at that. That's pretty quick for an overpowered ability. And it's done. Oh, that's sick. Dude, this is so awesome. I'm just destroying, like, it's nuts. And if I literally have trouble, then I just click the ability. Like, they haven't even left the frickin' screen of the 3DS yet. Nope. Wow, this is nuts. Now this is a cakewalk now. I wonder one thing start getting harder. I've gotten pretty far as a kid before. I think I've gotten around like what, 127 probably, and I was probably like 11 or something like that. So I'm sure, and this internet is really bad, so I don't know how long I'll be able to do this for. I'll see. I'll take another video in a bit, probably when I'm past 100, round 100, round 110. So yeah, that was it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next part.